Hi guys, welcome back. So you're in this position now where the white side is complete, the layer is complete, and they're matching the centers. For the next step, we're going to be sorting out the middle layer. So these pieces, these 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces are going to be in the correct color and in the correct positions. So if I show you the other cube here, this is what it needs to be looking like. Now, as you can see, these pieces themselves, we're working with the edges, so they've got two colors. So we've got the red and the green, we've got the red and the blue, we've got the red and the orange, and lastly we've got the orange and the green. So them 4 pieces are the ones that we want to get in the correct place. A completed version looks like this. Okay, so don't forget, we're going to be holding like this now. So the yellow is going to be facing the ceiling and the white is going to be facing the floor, right? And as we can see, this is all complete. So how do we get to this stage? All right, what we're going to do first is we're going to look for edges in the top layer that don't have yellow. Why don't have yellow? Because the edges that I discussed before, none of them contained yellow. So that's why. So this piece here, we've got a red and we've got a green. We can use that. The first step is to match the edge with the center. This is already matching. And then we look on top, we've got the green. Does the green go to the left where there's blue, or does the green go to the right where it's a green? So we're gonna be going to the right in this instance here. Once we know that this is matching, this part of the edge, and we're gonna go to the right, we're gonna be using our right hand. So once again, this step comprises of 4 steps. So we're going to be pulling it towards us, turning the right side up, pulling it towards us, and turning the right side down. Okay, now you might notice that it does take this white out of position, which is fine, it's going to happen. And this is where we have to do step 3 again. This is why step 3 was really important. So once again, I'm going to match that green up to this green here, so it's on the left side. Move the left side up, turn it towards me, and move it back down. And now the red and the green is in the correct position there. Okay, next I'm looking around, I've got a green and I've got an orange. I can use that. Step 1, we're gonna match them up with the corresponding centers. Yes, we're gonna look on top. Orange, is orange gonna go to the left, or is orange going to go to the right? It's going to go to the right. Why? Because we've got the orange center. We basically want to take this piece from here and put it into there. So once again, these are the moves. So this has got 4 steps. Turn it towards me, up, turn it towards me, and down. Okay. Now, as you can see, the white has been mixed up again. It's going to happen each time you do this. You will have to slot this white back in. So I'm matching this up to the correct place. It's on the left side. Okay, and now the piece is in the correct order. Okay, we've got 2 more pieces to go. So let's have a look. So we want without the yellow. Here we go, we've got the blue and the orange. Match them up. So orange is matching. Blue's here. It's not going to the left, it's going to the right. So once again, so turn it towards me. Turn the right side up, turn it towards me, right side back down. Okay, we're going to be putting that white back in. So let's match the blue with the blue, and this side is on the left hand side, so I'm using my left hand now. Turn it up, pull it towards me, and turn it down. So now we're starting to get somewhere with this. We've only got 1 more piece that's missing. Now it's good we've got to this position now, because as you can see, each of these pieces has got a yellow. So you will come across this problem from time to time. Now what we have to do first is we have to take this out of its position. How we do that is the exact same way that we put a piece in that position as well. So because it's on the right hand side, the same moves again. So turn it towards me, up, turn it towards me, back down. Now I'm looking at it. We need to put this white back in because the white's not on the bottom anymore. So match up the red with the red, use my left hand, up, bring it in, down, and what that's done is it's brought that piece, the blue and red piece, to the top. Now we can use step 4 to put it in its correct position. So as you can see here, we need to match these up first. So I'm going around, yep, matched up. Look at the top color. Does it go to the left? Does it go to the right? It goes to the right. So using my right hand, bring it towards me, turn this up, bring it towards me, bring it back down. Okay, and then we're going to be putting this white back in because the white's not at the bottom anymore. Same step that we did in step 3, match up diagonally. Look if it's on the left or if it's on the right. This one's on the left, so left hand, turn it up, bring it towards me, and turn it back down. So at the end of that, we've now got the second layer complete. One exception that we could come up with is if these two pieces were in the opposite sides. As you can see in the top layer, they've all got yellow, and in this layer these still don't match up. Why? Because this piece should be on this side and this piece should be on this side. We're going to do the exact same step to take this piece out. So this blue and orange piece, we're going to take it out using the same method. So it's on the right hand side, pull it towards me, turn it up, pull it towards me, turn it back down, put the white back in, so turn the white until the red matches the red, and then the same move because it's on, because I'm looking at it from the face here where it's matching, where the corner's matching, it's on the left hand side, so I'm going to turn it up, bring it in, turn it back down, and as you can see now that this piece that we were working with, the blue and the orange, is here now. Okay, that's where the piece is. So now I can quite easily slot this one back in to here, use the same method. Blues, the orange is matching, blues on top, it doesn't go to the left, it goes to the right. So turn, pull it towards me, turn it up, pull it towards me, turn it back down. Okay, and then bringing that white back in. White's back in, and now we've got that sorted. This still needs fixing. Now because I moved this piece into this position here, that piece has been freed up anyway, so you don't have to worry about that. So if you look around, here we go, there's a piece, there we're going to go, pull it towards me, turn it up, pull it towards me, turn it back down, slot the white back into position, and there we go. There were just a couple of exceptions. I know it might have got a little bit complicated there, but don't worry, they only appear from time to time. All right, so well done. At this point, the second layer is complete, and you've now completed more than half of the cube.